Welcome to Planifica, the leading school scheduling solution. In this video series, we'll explore the three main sections of the app: Setup, Curriculum, and Optimizer. In this video, we'll focus on the Curriculum section.
The curriculum interface lets you schedule each subject's sessions according to the workload previously defined in the settings. It streamlines course distribution and assigns teachers to groups at each grade level while respecting the constraints set by the administrator.
Let's look at a concrete example to better understand the process. For now, the Grade 1 class has no sessions scheduled, despite a total workload of 35 hours.
This list shows all the subjects for this grade level. We'll start by selecting French.
This option assigns a Grade 1 teacher to each group, either the same teacher for all or a different one for each.
A session refers to the individual classes of each subject. To configure a session, start by selecting the duration of each lesson.
You can edit both the name and the duration of each session.
Repeat this step until all lessons are completed. Now, let's explore adding a constraint. Physical education sessions should only take place in the morning.
Continue these same steps for all available subjects.
Don't miss our next video. Discover how the optimizer works.